Who said, "I am the resurrection and the life"? Possible answers: A. Jesus, B. Peter, C. John the Baptist. You have 10 seconds to write your answer in a comment. Time's up, and the correct answer is Jesus. Next question. Who said, "You shall not murder"? Possible answers: A. Moses, B. Jesus, C. God. Write your answer in the comments section and give this video a like. Time's up, and the correct answer is God. How are you doing with your answers? Let me know in a comment. Next question. Who said, "Depart from me, for I am a sinful man, O Lord"? Possible answers: A. Judas Iscariot, B. Simon Peter, C. The paralyzed man of Bethesda. Time's up, and the correct answer is Simon Peter. Next question. Who said, "I am not worthy to loosen his sandal strap"? Possible answers: A. John the Baptist, B. Peter, C. Andrew. You have 10 seconds to write your answer in a comment. Time's up, and the correct answer is John the Baptist. Let's move to the next question. Who said, "Woman, behold your son"? Possible answers: A. Peter, B. Jesus, C. John. Your 10 seconds to write your answer have started. Don't forget to share this video on your social media. Time's up, and the correct answer is Jesus. Let's move to the next question. Who said, "He must increase, but I must decrease"? Possible answers: A. John the Baptist, B. Paul, C. Peter. Time's up, and the correct answer is John the Baptist. Let's move to the next question. To whom did Jesus say, "Assuredly I say to you, today you will be with me in paradise"? Possible answers: A. To the thief, B. To Barabbas, C. To Martha. Time's up, and the correct answer is to the thief. Let's move to the next question. Who said, "I have sinned against heaven and before you, and I am no longer worthy to be called your son"? Possible answers: A. The prodigal son, B. David, C. Peter. Time's up, and the correct answer is the prodigal son. Let's move to the next question. Who said, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want"? Possible answers: A. David, B. Moses, C. Solomon. Time's up, and the correct answer is David. Let's move to the next question. Who said, "The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord"? Possible answers: A. Job, B. Abraham, C. Moses. Time's up, and the correct answer is Job. Let's move to the next question. Who offered strange fire before the Lord? Possible answers: A. Aaron and Moses, B. Hophni and Phinehas, C. Nadab and Abihu. Time's up, and the correct answer is Nadab and Abihu. Let's move to the next question.